Alright, so welcome back to the Back 40 Firewood channel. You might be wondering what I'm doing, loading up some big rounds of wood. Well, if you remember the last time I loaded up some big rounds, I'll throw the link up there. Go back and check that out, and that might give you a hint as to what's going on with these. So stay tuned for that. Maybe in the next video, we got something planned, and it's gonna be, again, pretty awesome. So now, we're just down here on the farm. We're gonna get some wood loaded up, and then a little bit later, Hound Senior has an idea of something he wanted to try. All right, so today,
something new.
We are
never been done before.
Welcome to the Back 40 Firewood Research, Development, and Innovation Headquarters. Hound Senior had an idea.
Well, you know, in the mind of madmen, well, first off, top of the morning to all their woodhounds around the world again. Enjoying that live feed, and I'm seeing people from all over, and I thought, well, heck, I got this crazy idea in my head about a month ago. I got these big rounds, and of course, to get them up on my splitter, I like to make them a little smaller so I can handle them. And I thought, well, what the heck? Rather than try and do it by splitting maul, I thought I got myself a genuine jackhammer. So this is what they're going to call jackhammer redneck wood splitting. So we're going to give it a whirl here, like they say.
So
we got a bit here that's looks like a wedge or whatever. So we're going to see if we can get that to work.
And we've never tried this before.
No, this is the first time. So
the idea is if you were splitting and you didn't want to swing them all, or you couldn't swing them all, and you needed to break this down, the use of a jackhammer.
Is a couple of years ago, we had a log that was about this big around, and we split it by hand 4 ways to get it to where we could handle it on our little splitter. So I thought, well, I'm just going to see what this does rather than swing them all, because I am getting to be the senior, you know. We got a little check here, so we'll use that to our advantage. There's just a little bit of a check mark. All right, here we go. Nope, that's a no-go. I wasn't sure, but I thought, well, I'd give it a try. So here's the big advantage with momentum. When you swing that maul weighs maybe 3 pounds or whatever coming down, has more force than this jackhammer. And this busted up cement for us last summer. We had to break up probably about, I don't know, a couple hundred square feet of cement. But I thought, well, I'd give it a try and see what happens. But as you can see, the juice started coming out of it. There was a lot of friction created, you know.
Yeah, she heated up.
Yeah, and she got warm, but just not enough momentum or force to make that split.
The impact.
Yep. So now we're going to get the old-fashioned splitting maul out and just give that a whirl and see what it does. So now we're going to go back to the 1910s. Use the old methods. A maul and a wedge. And we got that check mark we had with our jackhammer. He's a toughie. Yeah, tap on him a little bit. I'm going to hold this.
This one looks like
sharper. Okay, a little sharper. she's starting to go. Okay. Now, everybody's saying, oh my God, oh my God. Well, we're not dead yet, because we'll put this in over here now. We'll keep working our way across it. And then, she's about done.
Maybe.
Maybe, baby. Ta-da! So we got it narrowed down a little bit. But that just goes to show, back in the old days, when all you had was wedges and a maul, you was slow making wood. I mean, but now if we do it one more time, we'll get it to where we can
Manage it.
because the ultimate thing that I've done is with a big one like this, okay, I can't get the wedge started. I take the old 51, make a little 2-inch deep trench, put the wedge in, and so. Same old thin tooth, still cutting. There she goes. Yep.
But now,
Well, here's the smallest out here, I think, isn't it? Yeah. There we go. Whew! So there we go. Now we got it down to where it's at least manageable to handle on the splitter. At least for my splitter anyway, so. You can see where the modern wood splitter definitely makes things a lot easier. So that's it for our adventure splitting a big chunk today. So.
from innovation back to the original method.
Yep, back to the old school.
Back to the old school way. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. Just down here on the farm, having a little fun, trying some different ideas on how one could potentially, if needed, split a big piece of wood to get it into smaller pieces that you could manage easier. Yeah, Hound Senior thought that jackhammer was maybe going to do the trick, but just not enough force and momentum driving down into it. And so in the end, we had to resort back to the old school way of the sledge and the wedge. The sledge and the wedge. Got her done. But anyway, this other big pile back here, we're saving for the Wolf Ridge when she comes down and makes a little visit to the farm. Probably be in a month or two. Like I said, we got to get that shed cleared out so we can split this stuff and then stack it in there. So until then, it's just going to sit here, and we've got it in under the in the shed here. And the reason was because now in the spring, like back there where we had everything laying, it gets pretty muddy down here. and just wanted to get it out of the mud, out of the rain. When the snow decides to finally melt, it'll just be a lot easier having it inside here and dry on the dry ground. So thanks for tagging along. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys next time. Stay safe, have fun, and be cool.